Today I am going to unboxing budget gaming mouse. So without any delay, let's get started. This is Logitech G102 gaming mouse. It has RGB lighting and up to 8000 dpi with programmable 6 buttons layout. Let's open the box. This mouse is made for gaming that comes with a handy budget. There are two colors available, black and white. I purchased white one. Let's see what's inside the package. At first you can see there is a mouse itself. Then there is a manual guide or something. Play your way, Logitech G, the logo of Logitech. USB cable. This is a wired gaming mouse actually. I forgot to mention that. It is a simple programmable 6 button layout. Mechanical primary left and right buttons. Puts your power moves at your fingertips. Mechanical clicky buttons. Fully spectrum RGB lighting is customizable across approximately 16.8 million colors to suit your playstyle, your setup, your mood. The RGB lighting is customizable through Logitech application. If you install that application, you can able to customize your RGB lighting. Now you can see how the RGB lighting changes its color like chameleon. If you are a true gamer and you are on a tight budget and this gaming mouse is for you. Let's play GTA 5. Let's see how the mouse will work.
Damn, this nigga must got the baby dick.
Yeah, and all this shit paid for with bad credit.
Come to daddy. Which one you want, nigga?
Oh! Shit.
Oh my Christ.
Carajo!
Oh shit. It ain't this complicated.
There is no delay, so thanks to the mouse. Let's check the DPI, dots per inch. It determines how quickly your mouse cursor moves across your screen. The mouse has also forward and backward button. Now let's check the DPI. I will set it into 2000 dpi, 4000 dpi, 6000 dpi. Now 8000 dpi maximum. You can see how the DPI works. This mouse equipped with gaming grade sensor and on the fly DPI cycling through up to 5 sensitive settings from 2000 to 8000 dpi. If you come to price, I purchased on Amazon for 1146 rupees only. If you are willing to buy gaming mouse on a budget, then go for it. So that's it for the video guys. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you. We will meet in the next video.